Hi guys, it's Patty. Welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you two new traveler notebooks that I purchased in February and I received fairly recently. This one is from Foxy Fix and this one is from a Dutch company called LadyFalcon Travelers, and I'm going to share all the customization and what I'm going to be using them for. And let's start first with the Foxy Fix one. So this is my Foxy Fix Lush Ballerina Slipper Couture in a B6 size, and if you have seen my Once More Will Love flip through, this is the exact same traveler notebook basically, just in a different color. The other one is a lipstick red. I really love the Lush leather. It's very smooth. I mean, it's very soft. It's very squishy. It smells delicious. I just love how you know, the traveler notebook wraps around the inserts. So I wanted to get it in this color because it's so, you know, I think it's really pretty for spring and going into summer. Now again, this is B6 and it has a wide spine, which is 1.5 inches wide. Comes with 6 elastics, and I've chosen the white stitching and matching elastic. Also on the front here, as you can see, and on the spine there is the Fox and Pip bow in gold that I had, you know, chosen. You can choose all sort of customization, but the Fox and Pip I thought was so pretty. And it comes also, I think, I don't know if it comes in holo. I should have gotten in the holographic color, but too late. Anyway, and inside there is these pockets which are very, you know, very big. I mean, you can put a lot of stuff in here. I chosen the secretarial pocket, I think, in both sides. And then here there's a pen loop. And if you're not familiar with the Lush, it comes with this huge front pocket here where you can stuff receipts, you can put stickers, whatever you want. I don't personally use it, but you know, I like the option that it's there. And again, here the stitching is perfect. I'm super happy with this traveler notebook. It's gonna be used for my April setup, which is gonna be all pastel holographic. And I've tried not to go too crazy with the holographic, but it's, you know, I can't help myself. It's just too pretty. So I'm gonna try and show you guys that setup in the next couple of weeks because I'm still receiving items. Now let's move on real quick to the second one, which is this beauty here, and this one is from LadyFalcon Traveler, and this is a Dutch company, as I mentioned, and this is my second purchase from them. I purchased a little micro a couple of years back, and their quality is absolutely, I mean, amazing. The difference between this company and any other company that I purchased from, I mean, actually I'm not quite sure, but I know that this company basically makes everything by hand. The stitching is not done by a sewing machine. The stitching is done using the settle stitch by hand, and it makes this more special. It's a little pricier than you know, my other traveler notebook, but you know, I thought it was worth the splurge because I absolutely fell in love with this design as soon as I saw it. If you are a Sherlock Holmes fan, you may have recognized already the address. This is supposed to be 221B Baker Street, which is the address of Sherlock Holmes, and I am a big fan of Sherlock Holmes, and so I just, first of all, I thought it was a gorgeous traveling notebook because, as you can see, this is all hand tooled, engraved by hand, and then, you know, they put the foil in there to make it look like a door, and it's just gorgeous. Smells delicious too. The leather is really thick. It's a really sturdy, thick leather. The only downside to picking this kind of pattern, which is actually a customization that as an add-on that you can add to any style of traveling notebook that you purchase from them, is that they suggest that you don't get any size that it's a little more of a square, because clearly this is supposed to be representing a door, so normally they're more rectangular. And so I opted for the B6 Slim to give it a try. I didn't want, you know, ruin the design and go for the B6. Plus I'm probably not going to be using this as you know, daily traveler notebook. This is going to be more for special, you know, kind of like memory keeping for my trips to England or Ireland, or, you know, books, something like that. This is definitely, you know, more of a keepsake for me. So I didn't mind trying a different size. And if you look, let's look on the inside here. So it comes also with an insert. The pockets here, there's this beautiful, just, you know, card inserts here, pocket there, And then here in the back, it has a large pocket, and then this little kind of more of a card pocket here. And also when you order, they always send you a matching bookmark, and they ask you to customize it with your name. So I had Patty here, little charm, and then there's also this extra elastic, I guess, to put here with another charm in there, like it's some sort of tree. So again, this is a little pricier as an option. I think that the Foxy Fix was around $130 with shipping, whereas this one was $175. Now, mind you, this comes from Europe. 30 euros, I think, was the shipping, and so that makes up the difference. Again, it was a splurge. You know, probably not gonna buy another one, but I really had to have it. And you know, if you keep something forever, I think it's worth buying, you know, something unique that is, you know, I've never seen anything like this before. And they also have, I think, some with galaxy design. You can customize, have things painted on them. They're just beautiful, you know, beautiful like quality. So I'm very happy with it, very excited with it. Can't wait to, you know, use it with my pictures or, you know, memory keeping. So here it is, guys. So I just wanted to, you know, share with you real quick in case you guys are interested. I'm gonna put the links below, and I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm gonna try and post another video next week, not quite sure yet, maybe an unboxing or a flip through, either or. Until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.